Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to turn off Facebook Messenger active status. So let's go to the tutorial. But first I am going to my Messenger, and here's my Messenger interface. Just tap on your profile pic icon, and under the profile section active status, my current active status is turned on. Just tap on this option and just tap on the turn on or turn off button. Turn off active status. You won't be able to see when your friends and contacts are active or recently active. If I want to, as I want to turn off my activity status, so I will just tap on the turn off option, and now my active status will be turned off from my Messenger. So it was a little tutorial. Thanks for everyone.